what's the thing with brass? Like, why is brass a thing? SHOT Show 2023. It's time to get a grip. No, I'm not talking about getting a grip on reality. I'm talking about LOK Grips. Gonna check out some really cool stuff. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Let's not waste any time. Let's get Blake in here, the man of the hour. Get over here, bro.
What's going on?
How are you, man?
Nice to see you again, man.
Good to see you. SHOT Show, bro.
Yeah.
Knocking it out of the park.
Oh, yeah.
Grips. I want to start out, though, by explaining to folks, or letting you explain to folks, I should say.
Okay.
G10 has become a big, phenomenal, crazy thing.
Yeah.
In a nutshell, what's G10?
So we work a lot with G10. G10 layered fiberglass material. It's a great performance material. A lot of competition shooters.
Now,
like
does that machine similar to wood or metal or?
Yeah. So all of these are CNC machined. And right in Door, Michigan. You know where that is? By Grand Rapids.
Right.
But a lot of competition shooters like this because it's a good performance material in any conditions.
And we got various textures too. We don't want to overlook that.
Yeah,
right?
so our popular texture has been our bogeys texture, which if you look right here, that's bogeys.
Well, that makes me feel good because I love the bogeys, right?
Exactly.
So it makes me feel good that I got the popular one.
Yeah, and that a lot of competition shooters like it. If it's a little too aggressive, we also have our veloce here. Lighter textures like checkered, we can even do smooth.
And y'all do combos too, right? Combo textures.
Yeah, exactly. So this one right here, this is our lock ops. So you got a little bit of our ridgebacks texture for a lighter texture, and then where your fingers wrap around right here, you got our aggressive bogeys texture.
Cool. And so we got brass. So what's the thing with brass? Like, why is brass a thing?
So brass came about because USPSA said, hey, now you can go up to 59 ounces. And so immediately everyone called us, I want more weight.
Easy way to add weight.
Exactly. So immediately we started making brass grips.
Right.
We added an aggressive texture. This is our gridlock texture in solid brass.
Right.
So these are fairly heavy. If you don't like the weight, but you like the looks and the texture, we have aluminum as well. And this is just 1911. We do them for a variety of guns.
Now, between aluminum and G10, which one is lighter and all of that stuff?
The G10 is actually about half the weight of aluminum, but similar strength. So if you want lightweight performance material, it's G10.
Gotcha.
If you want something a little more shiny,
A little more robust too, probably with aluminum.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's very durable. So if you want something just a little more shiny but still a decent texture,
Right.
Aluminum or brass would be the way to go.
Awesome. All right, Blake, thanks for that tour, man, of the LOK Grip stuff. And, of course, people can check out color, styles, all that good stuff, I'm sure, on the good old website or whatever.
Yeah, and we have a lot of new products coming soon as well. So over, Q1, Q2, check us out. Keep an eye on us. We've got mag wells, grips for new guns. So
More products, more designs, more colors, more textures, more firearms.
Trying to keep up.
Mo Grips. All right.
Yes.
Blake,
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it. Hope you have a good rest of the SHOT Show.
Yeah. Thanks.
We'll be in touch. You'll certainly see more LOK Grips on the channel, I promise you. But as for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.
Thanks.